Be the change you wish to see in the world. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. The difference between what we do and what we are capable of doing would suffice to solve most of the world's problems. An eye for an eye will only make the whole world blind. Happiness is when what you think, what you say, and what you do are in harmony. The best way to find yourself is to lose yourself in the service of others. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. The future depends on what you do today. I will not let anyone walk through my mind with their dirty feet.